Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're quite well, and here is dark spotlight background with Mockup file. So you see here all files are high definition, and here is a background Mockup file. So drag to Photoshop. So you see the background, and you can import your own photo here like this. I have no photo about sport related, so I drag this file. You see, you can import your own photo here. Okay, and second is here is different devices you can drag and drop there, and monitors you can import and create clipping mask. Import your image here, and monitor shape. Here is main shape, reflection. Okay, you see here the stand. I hope this video is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Love is